Welcome. Today we will be going through question 6 of the Maclaurin Olympiad 2004. The cross-section of a tunnel is a circular arc, as shown. The maximum height of the tunnel is 10 meters. A vertical strut 9 meters high supports the roof of the tunnel from a point 27 meters along the ground from the side. Calculate the width of the tunnel at ground level. Please pause the video here and have a think about the problem on your own before proceeding to the hints and solutions. Hint number 1. Draw the full circle with the tunnel being a segment of it. Hint number 2. Extend the two lines perpendicular to the base, to the opposite end of the circumference. Hint number 3. What is the length of these lines in terms of the circle's radius? Hint number 4. Use the intersecting chords theorem. Now, if you are unaware of this theorem, please pause the video and search it up, or you can look at my video, which should come up in the suggested at the top. It includes the intersecting chords theorem at letter I. Solution. Let the circle have radius r and AF have length x. Since BB prime is a diameter of the circle, BB prime equals 2r. So FB prime is 2r minus 10. Now CC prime is 2r minus 2. And so EC prime equals 2r minus 11. Using the intersecting chords theorem, AF multiplied by FD equals BF multiplied by FB prime. So x squared equals 10 multiplied by 2r minus 10, which is 20r minus 100. Similarly, CE multiplied by EC prime equals AE multiplied by ED. So 9 multiplied by 2r minus 11 equals 27 multiplied by 2x minus 27. Now 18r minus 99 is 54x minus 729. So 18r equals 54x minus 630, 2r equals 6x minus 70, and 20r equals 60x minus 700. From before, we had x squared equals 20r minus 100, and so x squared equals 2x minus 700 minus 100, which is 60x minus 800. X squared minus 60x plus 800 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, we find x equals 30 plus minus 10. Now, since ED has length 27, x cannot be 20, so x equals 40. Then the width of the tunnel at ground level is 2x, which is 80 meters. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to drop a comment in the comments down below. Goodbye.